Hello everyone, my name is Chinkesh Bomb. I am here to share my transformative journey today here at BIMTECH. With a background in finance coupled with the specialization in retail management, it has been a thrilling journey all throughout. I have been recently placed as store manager in home center at Dubai. One of the most remarkable aspects of my journey has been the on-the-job training, the internship, and the various experiences I have shared here with different clubs and conduits. With my experience and background, I was little afraid to choose this field, but the BIMTECH has provided me with a great experience and learning approach towards the retail world, and I have discovered my passion for retail industry. Today, Birla Institute of Management Technology has not just equipped me with the knowledge, it has also instilled me in the confidence to thrive with the competitive advantage of retail management. Today, to all the future students, I can welcome you and assure you that you will have a fulfilling and thrilling journey over here. To all the future students, your journey starts here. Thank you.